how you going? Today I want to try and do a bit of a different acrylic pour. I want to use some really fun colors. I got in the mail a few weeks ago a bunch of paint that I'd ordered because it was all 50% off at Riot Art. So I got a few different bright colors and I really want to try like a phoenix themed pour. A few very bright, vivid colors in there. Today, I'm thinking of just doing a normal acrylic pour, so just pouring all the paint into a cup on a canvas, and instead of doing a flip cup, I want to pour it out onto the canvas. But I was thinking, it's probably going to be a little bit convoluted, but I think I want to do it in stages. So I'm planning on, with my canvas, I want to start from dark to light and have the light all meet up in one spot. But what I think I'm going to do is a bunch of separate pours. Plan is I'm going to put all my paint into separate cups, and then I'm going to pour the certain colors I want in the dark spectrum into the cup, pour it out, then move slowly up lighter. I think I might do that in maybe 3 stages. Alright, so starting off with the dark colors. Today I'm going to use black as my dark color. I'm going to try and avoid white. This black is just a black color from Araldo de Palo. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Then we have in our dark colors, I want to do a kind of Franken purple. I'm not really sure. I'm going to try and mix them. I have a bunch of purples here. Majority of them from Holocraft. We have this one, which is ultraviolet, elderberry. That's going to be fun to pronounce. Dioxazine purple. And just to give it a little bit more substance, because these paints are quite watery, which I mean they're great for pouring, but I want them slightly thicker, I'm going to add this purple from Global Colors. Then moving up, we have as well a fluorescent pink from Holocraft, which is just called Fluoro Pink. But I want to try and mix that with this Semco paint that I got from Spotlight and see how that goes, just to give it a bit more substance and maybe tone it down slightly. I'll see how I go. Oh, by the way, when I mean substance, I mean just like less watery. I don't know why I keep calling it substance. Moving up, now we have this orange paint, which is just called Fluoro Orange from Holocraft. I want to try and mix that with this Semco orange paint that I got from Spotlight, just to give it a little bit more thickness, I'm gonna say. And then finally I want to end on yellow, and I have here this yellow from Holocraft called Hansa Yellow. This Hansa Yellow is quite, I guess, a bit more on the greener spectrum of yellow, and I have this yellow from Creative Place called Cadmium Yellow, and I think I want to mix the two because one's kind of on the orange side and one's more on the green side, and see if I can create a nice in-between that'll suit the rest of my colors. As with the other acrylic pours that I have tried, I want to make sure that it's not too watery but still runny. So today I will be using Floetrol, which I got from Bunnings, and just some water in our teapot that Dania got me. I just poured that everywhere. You'll have to excuse, we have Flynn here. He really wants to join in on the paint mixing. Starting off with our black. Also adding a few drops of this red paint because I want to. Alright, so here is our cup ready to pour. Cool, alright, so I think I'm going to start doing our pinks and our fluorescent oranges in here. I'm just going to pour it all into the same cup. It's probably going to cause me problems later on, but it's okay. And some orange. I feel like Dora the Explorer. And some yellow. Awesome. I think I might also add a little bit of that red in there as well, and hope it doesn't go everywhere like it did before. Cool. Alright, here's our cup. It's already looking kind of crazy. Alright, cool. So on the canvas, my plan is to go from dark and move up this way to light. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the dark acrylic pour mix here, but I'm first going to pour some black here and maybe some purple here and put that in the middle, and then kind of tip it and pour it together. Alright, so here is our black. I just kind of stripe that on haphazardly. I want this to be not as organized as I would prefer. And then our purple I'm going to put in about here. But I kind of want to start curving the shape a little bit. Don't ask me why, I just want to. And then I'm going to take our pouring mix and pour that in there. Kind of mix that in with the black a bit. Might have to add a little bit more purple to this. Cool, and I'm going to start tipping it, I think. Just a little bit. Pour it down a bit. Cool, and up slightly. Oh wow, that's looking really cool already. I think I want a little bit more purple in there. Might add in a little bit more purple in this area after, because I think that would look awesome. Alright, cool. So what I might do is I'm going to pour a bit of pink and orange in around it, but I think I'm going to try and put this in the main area here. Cool. A little bit of the pink. And some of the yellow up here. That's so cool. I'm already loving how this is looking. Oh, guess that's gonna be our fun little random streak. All right, cool. I'm gonna pour the main cup on now. I think I'm gonna place it about here. Whoa, cool. Alright, before I tip this, I think I'm gonna make up a little bit more purple to place in here and a bit more yellow because I don't have enough. Alright, cool. I've made more of that up. I'm gonna pour that, I think, in here and hopefully those blend quite nicely together. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I'm so excited. Might add a little bit over the top, try and get rid of that yellow. It makes me mad. Alright, and then I'm gonna add our yellow back over the bit I wanted. Oh, that's so cool. Alright, cool. I think I'm gonna try and tip it now. See what we get. I kind of want this to move slightly this way and this to move slightly this way, so I'll see what happens. Might have to do a bit of both. Oof, okay. A bit further back. And fair bit further. Oh my god, that's so cool. I think I want this to blend a little bit, so I think I'm gonna pour in a little bit of my red that I have. I'll see if I can spread that out a little bit. Oh, that's cool. Okay. I'm pretty happy, but I still think I'd like to cover this up. Oh, cover that up. Okay, I think this looks pretty cool. I'm a fan. It's interesting. Over here, it's kind of created a bit of a green streak, which isn't really what I wanted. Green's not exactly my favorite color. That's okay. I know this is a bit of a too much gem, but I think I want a bit more red in there. Okay, I think I'm gonna try and stop myself here because, oh, why do I hate it? Why do I hate it? I think it needs more orange. Okay, that makes me feel better. Now it doesn't seem so divided. That helps. Okay, I'm happy. I'm happy. Alright, so painting is done, and I can't lie to you here, I actually really like it. I've always wanted to try these colours, but I've been a little bit scared as to how they'll turn out. I'm gonna see how it ends up looking over the next few days while it dries, just because the paints that I used, these Holocraft ones, I find that they tend to do this kind of veining action, and normally that's what would steer me away from using these really bright ones, just because that's not always what I want in an acrylic pour. But with this one, I feel like that would look really cool with the kind of phoenix colors if that was coming out this way. But I think that would be awesome. So I guess I'll see how it looks in the next few days. Check my Instagram if you want to see the complete final result. That time in the video, quick mask PSA. If you are in Victoria or anywhere around the world and you guys do have to wear masks, or COVID in the current climate is a lot, please make sure that you guys are wearing your mask correctly. So making sure that it is over your mouth and your nose, not below your chin, over your nose. I do understand for those who cannot have masks on for whatever reason, for your medical reasons, for if you are eating or drinking. Now, please, when you're eating or drinking, just like don't have your mask below your chin and every 10 minutes take a sip of your coffee. Make sure that you're wearing it properly. Pull it up. It's not super difficult. But yeah, remember why we're all doing this. We want to protect everybody. We want to try and protect our family members, community members. We want to try and fight this pandemic, and we want to protect as many people as possible, including our incredible healthcare workers. So please make sure that you're doing your part, you're wearing your mask correctly. Mask PSA is over. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this, please leave a like, or feel like subscribing if you want. That'd be awesome too. I mean, honestly, do what you want. Let me know down in the comments if there's anything that you want me to try differently, if you want me to try any different kind of acrylic pour techniques or different kind of colors. I think that would be awesome. I am open for pretty much anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time. Hello, Flimmy. Oh my god, you're making a mess.